Want to pop the hood for us, BA?
Sure. It's a totally stock S2000. I got the ram user down here. This is for all the air right here. So it's an F22C block. The block's been Darton sleeved and O-ringed. It has stock compression CP pistons, so just over 11:1. It's got Carrillo rods with the upgraded CARR bolts. Basically the head, stock ported head. It's got Ferrera competition plus valves in it and springs and retainers. And basically the neat thing with this car is it actually has a staged injection on it. So basically the car has 2 fuel systems in it, and basically how it works is, you know, when I'm just driving around, you know, light throttle, the car is just running off the primary injectors. So basically it has the factory tank in the car still, and it just runs off 94 pump gas, and then it has a separate fuel cell in the trunk that holds E98 ethanol. And basically it doesn't use the ethanol until basically kind of like how a water mess system works. Like, it doesn't use it till you're in boost. So you kind of get the best of both worlds of being able to have, you know, a full kill tune in it all the time and still cruise down the highway and get, you know, 30 miles to the gallon on pump gas, right? Running, you know, O2 feedback and running good air fuels going down the highway. Right, so in the trunk we have an 8-gallon fuel cell, and it has dual AEM 380 high pressure fuel pumps feeding the secondary set of ID1000s.
Super sick setup, BA.
That was the thing, like I've been running this car, you know, for a couple years on race fuel straight, and you know, your mileage is terrible, the fuel's expensive, so kind of having this is kind of like the best of both worlds. You know, you can put 5 gallons of race fuel in it, you know, pretty much drive it all summer, right? Because you're primarily burning the pump gas, right? You're only using the ethanol when it's basically in boost, right? So on this car, it doesn't start redirecting the fuel till about 12 pounds. It'll start switching over to the secondaries, is kind of when you start needing them in these cars, and that basically stabilizes the octane and kind of allows it to make, you know, the last time we had it on the Dynapack, it made 850 at 33 pounds.
What's it going to be running at today?
Today it's just wastegate. It's just 10 pounds, 10, 11 pounds, maybe mid 400.
Cool.
400s. I haven't dynoed it at this power level, but I've had to guesstimate.
Beautiful.
So it's still fun, but not, you know, it's still pretty cool out, so the tires, you know.
Well, I'm excited to take it for a rip. You trust Brew Rhymes?
Yeah, I sure do.
Would you trust me?
Yeah. I don't know.
I'd trust me.
You know, it's still pretty cool out, so the tires, you know.
Well, I'm excited to take it for a rip. You trust Brew Rhymes?
Yeah, I sure do.
Would you trust me?
Yeah. I don't know.
I'd trust me.